Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Uber Pro card. If you haven't already signed up as an Uber driver yet, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and become an Uber driver. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn money. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. So this is what the Uber Pro card's logo looks like. To download, tap on Get. And once the download is finished, tap on Open. Once downloaded, tap on Login. Or if you don't have an account yet, tap on Sign Up, and follow the on-screen instructions and prompts. If you already have an account, you could now log in through your phone number. Enter it on the field provided. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Lastly, enter the passcode of your Uber Pro card. And that's how you download and install the Uber Pro card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.